everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am eating, starting off anyway. So let's just go straight up to the tutorial. Anyway, I'm gonna use, as usual, the faceshop Air Cotton makeup base in mint. You know the drill. Same old. So what's up, everybody? How's it been? How's the life? Yeah, just play that to my face. And for the other primer, I'm gonna use my Essence mattifying+pore minimizing primer. I'm just gonna put that to the center of my face and blend it in. Anyway, and then I'm just gonna do my eyes first. So yeah, and for the eyebrow powder, I'm gonna powder my eyebrow first, so there will be no oil or the primer to it. And then I'm gonna use my Morphe eyebrow palette and pick that shade and do my eyebrow. I'm gonna do my eyebrow just one for the camera. It's just that, the process. Yeah, just gonna do some magic trick-ish. And it goes straight to the eye, and I'm gonna use my Essence Eyelid Color Intensifying Eye Base. Just gonna prepare my eyelid for it, and then I'm gonna top it up with another concealer because I want it to make even more pigmented. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl pro.conceal HD concealer in shade Natural. I'm just gonna place that where I place the eye base, the first primer. Anyway, just gonna pat it in and then also powder my eyelid with the same powder that I use for my eyebrow. Just gonna set my eyelids. I'm gonna use my Morphe 3502 eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna pick those two shades to blend it into my crease and all over my eyelid, actually, and also to my lower lash line. Just really blend it in. Blend it out, not blend it in. Blend it out. Like really puff. And then also, yes, blending out to my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna pick this shade Brick to even darken the crease color. And yes, I'm using my Zueva. I forgot the number of the brush. Anyway, I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm just winging the outer part of the eyelid, to make it a cat eye effect kind of thing. And then gonna blending it everything, and then I'm gonna pick this 3 shade eyeshadow and also blending it out to my outer part of my eyelid, to the V, and make it even more darker, and then blending it out. And then I'm gonna do a half cut crease with the same concealer from LA Girl. Same old. We all do differently from the anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna blend the outer part of the concealer to blend everything, also the upper one. And then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. baked highlighter in shade Moonlight Pearl, and I'm gonna place that to the center and inner part of the eyelid, and really blend it in and pack the highlighter to my eyelid, and also doing some more blending. And then I'm gonna pick up a black matte eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do a water eyeliner, liquid eyeliner today. I'm just gonna do a eyeshadow because it's more softer looking. And then I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara for the lashes. And then I'm gonna clean up the fallout. And yes, I did remove some of the primer, so I'm gonna apply more primer using the Essence Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm just gonna pat it all. I'm just gonna pat it in, and then for the foundation, I'm gonna use my New York. And for the foundation, I'm gonna use my New York. And for the foundation, I'm gonna use my Maybelline New York Fitme matte+poreless foundation in shade 120 and 110. And I'm just gonna place the lighter one to the center and the darker one to the outer part of my face. And I'm gonna use my flat kabuki blush a bit, and then I'm gonna blend everything with my flat brush, foundation brush, my trusty old brush, face brush, foundation brush. I don't know what to call. I'm just gonna blend everything in, and for the concealer, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro.conceal HD shade natural, and also for the contour, the beautiful in bronze. Of course, just gonna conceal and contour my face with it. Yeah, just first I'm gonna blend the contour one, the darker one, and then the lighter one, so I can blend everything. And then I'm gonna use my foundation brush to blend everything for no harsh line. Just tap tap tap, and then, you know, make it fast forward. It's boring, you know. Yeah, why am I keep saying that? I'm always having a trouble with my nose contour because I always use a huge brush for contour my nose. And then I'm gonna set my face with the same CoverGirl loose powder. I'm gonna set all my face. And for the bronzer or contour powder, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. contour and highlight face palette, and I'm gonna pick the darkest shade with angle brush. I'm gonna even darken the contour and bronzer. Yeah. And also to my jawline, don't forget to blend your jawline also. And yeah, this is me blending my nose contour with a big brush, but it came out nice anyway. And for the blush, I'm gonna use the Real Beauty Plus blusher in shade Soft Coral Pink. This is actually imitation. It's a local brand. It's kind of nice. As you can see, it's really nice blending also, but you kind of have to build it up to make it darker. But yeah, I kind of heavy on it. I went heavy on it, just saying. Same highlighter that I use for my inner eyelid, the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter Moonlight Pearl. I'm gonna highlight all my perimeter of my face to my cheekbone, to my nose bridge, and to my forehead, and for my brow bone, and to my inner tear duct. I'm gonna use this shade and really blend it in. And for my waterline, I'm gonna use my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in shade Silky Nude. I'm gonna open up my eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna do my false lashes later on when I finish everything. Yeah, and for the lip liner, I'm gonna use my Essence Ultra Last Lip Liner in shade Rosewood High. I'm gonna line my lip and also fill them in. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use my NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in shade Soft Spoken. And we're pretty much in the near end of the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy the tutorial and get inspired with it. Actually, this is inspired by, you know, a wedding, a bridal inspired look. Kind of love it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notification bell too. You can be notified when I upload a new video, a tutorial, and like the video, and comment down below if anything you want to say or whatever. Bye.